Hi boys and girls. Okay, today we're going to be drawing a simple cardinal using shapes, okay? And your first shape you're going to do, we're going to practice drawing him facing forward, and then we'll start over and we'll draw him facing to the side, okay? So if your cardinal is facing forward, you're just going to do a raindrop shape. So everybody make a raindrop shape. Should start at the top, come down, swoop around, and connect, okay? Then for his mask, that you're just going to do a line that goes across and then the letter U to connect it, okay? And then the next thing we're going to do is his beak, which is a diamond. So you're just going to go from the side of that mask, go up, down, and then down and up, so that you should see a diamond shape in there. So it's like and then divide it in half, okay? His tail is a triangle, or actually sometimes it's easier if you're cutting this shape out to make it a, what's that called, a trapezoid. So you can either do a triangle, which is just down, over, and back up, or if you want it to be a trapezoid, which makes it just a little bit wider right here, you go down, over, and then when you come back up, you go a little bit away. You don't connect these two, you leave a little bit of space, okay? So either one is fine. So that's another shape. And then for the wings, you're going to do a crescent shape. So that's like kind of like a banana. And if you want his wings out, you would do a crescent shape or a little moon shape going up like that. Just curve it up, okay? If you want him to have his wings down, if he's resting on the branch, not getting ready to take off, you would just do a crescent shape like this, just kind of a curved line like this, where he's got his wings tucked in, okay? If he was sitting on that branch that we drew, right? So now he could be sitting on there getting ready to take flight, right? And then his wings would be up. That's up to you how you want to do that, okay? All right, next. You would add eyes, legs, and wings. Well, if he's sitting on the branch, all you'd see was his little toes right here, because he'd be gripping on, okay? And his eyes, we're just going to put a dot at the corner of the black, okay? This will, when we make these, this will be black paper right here, okay? So you'll have black paper, and then you'll do a Sharpie dot here, here, and if you want to put toes, you can do that with your Sharpie too, okay? Legs, it would be if he was standing up on the branch, and those you'd have to draw it in. So depending on where you glue him on, if you want to glue him up like this and you can see his legs standing there, you can do that, or you can have him sitting on the branch like that, okay? Depends on what you want. All right, erase. We're going to do the side view, because you can also cut out shapes to make the side view. And the side view is kind of like you're making a raindrop, but you're going to bend it. So you're going to do a curved line that comes over this way, and then, so it's like a bent raindrop, right? And then half of, so when we did the mask, we did the letter U. You're going to come over and do half of a letter U, okay? The full letter U would be out here. We don't need that part, right, because that's on the other side of his head. All right, and then for his beak, you would only see this much poking out. Oh, actually, that's a little small, like that. And then you're going to cut it in half, because you'd be seeing it from a different angle here. If you want, you can make it come back a little bit triangular like that, because it kind of would be a diamond, but in a different shaped diamond. And then, of course, his dot for his eye. Now his wings from the side is just going to be like a crescent. Okay, and then tail, you can put his tail up. And oh, by the way, if you want to make his tail have a dip in it, you can do a U shape here, or the letter V if you want to make it more angled. Now remember, that tail, when you make his tail, you can put it on like this, or you can put it on up, whichever way you think it looks best, okay? If he's getting ready to fly, you can see you would change those wings. You'd put them in a different place, okay? I think I like the tail like this. No, I might like it rounded. All right, now we've practiced. Oh, if he's on a branch, again, you would draw in those feet. You draw his little toes hanging on, okay? And would you see all of his feet in this angle? Probably not. You probably wouldn't see the ones over there. So I probably wouldn't even draw those in, because you'd probably only be able to see the ones that were on this side. Okay, now we're ready to start cutting shapes out from paper.